If you've downloaded a multicolor model and just want to change colors fast, this is the quickest way to do it in Bambu Studio. No painting, no guessing. There are a lot of ways to change colors in Bambu Studios, but this is the method that I use every time because it's fast and it keeps things simple. This is specifically for Bambu Studio with an AMS. The first thing I do is load the colors that I actually want into the AMS. Bambu filament is detected automatically using the RFID tags included in the reels. I'm also loading one non-Bambu spool so you can see how quick that is to handle in Bambu Studio coming up shortly. So as you can see, I've already got the Brickman open and we've got the original 4 colors here of red, blue, yellow, and black. Before we do anything here, you can see the colors on the left hand side as well. You go to the device, and in my case, because I have 2 printers, normally I just make sure that I'm on the correct printer, so it's Larry here. So you can see the colors that I loaded are the yellow, the green, the brown, and then the red doesn't show up. The easiest way to fix this is just simply by clicking on that little pencil. Whenever I'm using a non-Bambu branded filament, I often will start with Bambu's basic settings. So in this case, that's a PLAF, and I already know that it works with the Bambu PLA basic, so I select it. Then I go and I choose the color. It's not there, so I'm going to go custom color, and it's red. I go OK, I confirm. And there you have it. Now it's showing up that that last spool is red. Now I'm going to come back to the Prepare tab. And this is where it's going to be really easy to change the colors. So the example would be the fact that here we are, his legs, pants are blue. And so I look over here and I go, it's blue. And now I can change it to whatever color I want. So I've just changed it to green with the reels that are actually in my AMS. So you'll notice that I'm in global mode on the left here. So if I scroll out, you're going to see that the hat was blue as well as the pant legs. And if you want to be able to change the pants separate from the hat, then all you do is you come over to object mode here, go to object mode. And now you see that it has found the hat right here. So if I want to change the color of the hat only, I right click, I come down to change filament, and now I'm going to change the hat to the red. So now the pants have remained green, the hat is red, the shirt is red, the head is yellow. That's it. This is the fastest way I know to change colors on a multicolor model in Bambu Studio. If this helped, let me know in the comments below. Now that you know how to change colors fast, the next thing that really matters with the AMS is reliability. If you want cleaner prints with fewer issues, I've got a video linked right here on keeping the filament dry in the AMS. It pairs perfectly with what you just watched.